Let's start. Today we will see how to implement the seek bar in Kotlin Android. Let's see the project structure. At the app level build.gradle file, write this plugin. Here we have the main activity. And in the UI, we have the activity_main.xml file, which is the layout of the main activity. Let's see the UI. Here we have the seek bar. Let's see the code. The constraint layout is the root layout. And this is the seek bar. Let's see the Kotlin code now. These are the imports. This is the main activity. In the onCreate function, first, we set the initial value of the seek bar at 50. When the seek bar is dragged by the user, we show its value in a toast. Let's run the app. So that's it. That's how you can implement a seek bar in Kotlin Android. Thank you.